What's up, y'all? It's Darius from your favorite website, DariusCooks.tv. And guess what? It's grilling season. And I gotta show you a brand spanking new, amazing recipe that you're gonna make over and over and over and over again, all right? So we're gonna take some ribeye steak, season them real good, put them on the grill, and I'm gonna serve that with a pineapple Bacardi Pico de Gallo. Let's go, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is make a little bit of a rub situation. Start by adding in some kosher salt. And then I've also got some black pepper. Okay? If you know me, we're gonna do a little bit of garlic powder right in there. And for a little kick, a little spice, I got red pepper flake. Got a little bit of smoked paprika. And then we're gonna put a little bit of sweetness into the whole situation by adding a little bit of brown sugar, because brown sugar, ribeye, and smoked paprika just go together really well, if you know what I mean. That is perfect. We'll give this a stir. Let's do that. Let's make it a marinade by adding in olive oil. So it gets like nice and pasty. And then we can put that on the steak. All right, that is perfection. So what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and pour this right over the steaks. Get them in the mix of the gravies. Let's flip them over. Let's get the other side. We'll let these hang out. All right, we'll let these hang out right here beside me and get nice and juicy and let the marinade sort of do its thing and have a good time. All right, so to serve on top of the steak with the brown sugar, I thought that a pineapple pico de gallo would be really good, because obviously pineapples are in season, and that steak is gonna go outside on my Weber grill. That's how we're gonna cook it and smoke it. It's gonna be amazing. So let's start on the pico de gallo. So I'm gonna start by cutting up a pineapple and getting it chopped down to size, and I'm gonna get it right into this bowl. All right, pineapple, really good. Let's do a little bit of garlic. We'll chop that right in. A couple cloves. One. We're gonna add the chopped garlic right into the bowl with the pineapple. And then I've got a little bit of onion, so we'll put that in there as well. For a little spice, I've got a jalapeno, so we'll get him all diced and ready to go. All right, we'll take the jalapenos. Put those in there. All right. Now, season it up a little bit. I've got some fresh squeezed lime juice, some cilantro that's already been chopped. This also is gonna need a little bit of salt. Definitely gonna need a little bit of pepper. To help with the sweetness, we're gonna put a little brown sugar. And then I'll put a little bit of oil, that pineapple Bacardi. Why? Because we can. Give that a stir. let that hang out in the fridge until it's time to put it on top of the steak. All right, and speaking of steak, let's grab them and let's go to the grill. All right, so we've had a chance to get the grill preheated to about 400 degrees, and look at that. All right, it's hot, it's ready to go. The steaks will go right onto that grill. And we'll shut the grill and let the steaks cook. All right, so our steaks have been cooking on one side for a little bit, and we can flip. Look at that. We'll talk about perfection. So we'll cook it on the other side. I'm gonna close the lid so it cooks all the way through. Whoa, look at that. All right, look at our steaks. They're ready to come off the grill. And those are nice and grilled up. Come on now. Come on now. Grill master in the building. All right, here we go. All right, so the steak is cooked beautifully. Nice medium well, medium well, whatever you like. Pineapple, this is the pineapple Bacardi, Pico de gallo. With the steak. First of all, it's smoky, super tender. I love that brown sugar sweetness that's on here. You gotta try it on the Weber grill. I'm telling you. For the full recipe, you know where to go. My website is dariuscooks.tv. Two things I want to tell you as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.